Mother Nature has gifted us with a number of wonders around us to be astonished at, with animals being one of them. These magnificent creatures, found in all sizes and colors, have served the human race and have been our companion for thousands of years. Animals with such diversities in their species give glory to every share of nature, be it land, water, or the blue skies. Beginning with a creature as tiny as an ant to one as huge as a tiger, they all have been interdependent to form an ecosystem and make life happen. Planet Earth is blessed with a complete balance of both wildlife and plant life. Here we get introduced to the term flora and fauna. While flora represents all the plant life, fauna is a collective name for all the animals of a given region. These two factors together make it possible for the humans to exist. We are connected through the food chain, of which the fauna caters a significant part. Their role as producers and consumers help us provide with food and various supplies to live by. From every colorful feathered bird to a black and white terrestrial animal, their stunning features, remarkable patterns, and gestures with their younger ones and family have made our jaws drop in awe. The number of species of fauna on the planet Earth is so high in number due to the fact that only the insects are represented by almost 1 million different species. Cryptofauna are the species which are rare or even mythological, while megafauna are the large animals which we usually see. Their ability to protect and understand human emotions despite not having a common language to share seems to be nothing but a miracle of life. These living creatures, when looked closely, cross the 7 wonders of the world. This abiding manifoldness has always been the charm of Mother Nature, which keeps a human on his toes, always marveling with glistening eyes but yearning for more.